Hello, students. Good morning. How are you all? I am fine. So, students, today we were started for chapter number 6 from part 2. Do you remember? Yes. Now हम लोग 43 पेज को इनकम्प्लीट रखा था मैंने बोला था, याद है ना? पार्ट 1 में कि ये 3 क्वेश्चन के नीचे पैराग्राफ है वो इनकम्प्लीट है, वो हम लोग बाद में पार्ट 2 में यहाँ से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, याद है ना? सो नाउ ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड पेज नंबर 43. ओपन इट. यस, कर दिया ओपन. वेरी गुड. सो नाउ आई रीड इट. लास्ट पैराग्राफ. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे एक वॉच दिख रहा है, उसके नीचे जो पैराग्राफ है वो बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? आफ्टर 1 hours द ट्रेन स्टॉपेड इन वन स्टेशन. आफ्टर 1 hours द ट्रेन स्टॉपेड एट वन स्टेशन. I show it from the window. I show it from the window. Samakhiari Junction was written on the station. Samakhiari Junction was written on the station. I asked my father. I asked my father. Now turn your page. Page number 44. Why is the junction was written after the station's name? Father explained to me that the station at which 2 or more railway tracks are separating is Collect Junction. From this station, 2 railway tracks are separating. On the track on which our train is running is the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. Now next paragraph. Train departed after 2-3 minutes. The 2 tracks separated from one another. Father showed it to me from his window. Now third paragraph. Our train left the station. I was observing the view outside the window. It was looking like white bedsheet spread across an open plain up to far away in a full moonlight. Father said that it is a small desert of Kutch, and it is looking like white bedsheet because of white layers of salt on it. In this area, agrarians are harvesting salt by making shelters. There we can also see very big heaps of salt. Now third paragraph. The train was moving fast. Something like a bridge was seen in a faint light of moon. There was light of vehicles see on it while we were crossing the bridge. I asked my father, which is this bridge? This is Surajbari Bridge. He replied, it is known as the entrance of Kutch. Okay, now page number 45. Page number 45. He said that when this bridge was not there, all the trains of Ahmedabad used to go view Palanpur. That used to take much time. Immediately I asked my father. We had seen two separated railway tracks. Before that was the way to Palanpur, right? Father said, yes, from that route only train was going. It was 11 at night, so father told us to sleep. Mother spread out bed sheet on our seat. All passengers were also going to sleep. There was toilet facility in the train. I went to toilet with my mother and slept. Now next paragraph. Now page number 45. Page number 45. उसके नीचे देखो एक लड़की का फोटो दिया गया है. नीचे एक लड़की का फोटो दिया गया है. यस. हाँ, उसके बाजू में एक पैराग्राफ दिया गया है, वो मैं रीड करती हूँ. आई ट्राइड टू स्लीप बट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप ड्यू टू ट्रेन्स नॉइस. उसको नींद आ रही थी लेकिन वो सोने की कोशिश कर रही थी, लेकिन ट्रेन की आवाज़ से उसको नींद नहीं आ रही थी. देयर वॉज अदर फैमिली नियर आवर सीट. द गर्ल इन द फैमिली सीम्स टू बी ऑफ माई एज. शी वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट फीलिंग स्लीपी. उसके बाजू में एक फैमिली बैठी थी. उस फैमिली मेम्बर में भी एक गर्ल थी. वो भी रिया के एज की थी, लेकिन वो भी नॉट फीलिंग स्लीपी, यानी वो भी सो नहीं पा रही थी. वी बोथ टॉकेड. हर नेम वॉज फियोना. वो दोनों बातें करने लगे और उसका नाम था फियोना. शी हैड सम स्टोरी बुक्स. आई ऑल्सो टुक वन बुक फ्रॉम हर. Now next page number 46, and started reading it. While reading the book, I slept. Now next paragraph. Suddenly I woke up. I saw that light was coming from the window. I sat and peeped out of the window. It seemed since a big city had come. The train was passing. The city was looking very beautiful all around because of lighting. I have never seen some kind of beautiful scenes in Gandhidham. The train was passing under the bridge or somewhere from railway crossing, where all around tall building and the atmosphere was quiet. I took my mother's mobile to take photos and videos of those beautiful scenes, which we will enjoy watching later. Now next paragraph. Our train reached at one big station. Father also woke up. He told that Ahmedabad come. The atmosphere filled up by the noise of different hawkers. Some of the words were chai, garma garam bhajia, puri shaak, cold water bottle, bananas, vada pav, chiku, apple. Father said the train will be at the station for 20 or 25 minutes. Father got down from the train to fill water bottle. I also went with him. So now next paragraph, page number 47. The platform was crowded. Passengers were buying from the hawkers. There were many other trains at the platform. They were people with red uniform carrying load and running around. There was an important announcement on the mic. Some passengers were waiting for their train. I was enjoying the scenes. We took bananas and chiku from hawkers and got in the train. Now, last paragraph. By the time the train started, we ate bananas and chikus and I went to the toilet. Now I was not feeling sleepy. I was having bored of snacks and ladders games. Himax, Fiona, and I played snakes and ladders. In the meantime, the train arrived at Nadiad, where Fiona had to get down. Fiona said bye to us. I and Himaksh went to sleep. So, students, today we will learn for chapter number 6 for explanation. सम क्वेश्चन आंसर, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, वो सब हम बात के पार्ट में करेंगे. तब तक स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. बाय.